Hi, my name is Sasha, and I'm Team 1, creator of 1,000 apps. You hear about a cool new app that will make your life much easier. What do you do next? If you're like most people, you rush to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. What if you knew that the company behind the app has a bad data security record, or that the terms of service you consent to state that your data will be sold to undisclosed third parties? Data breaches are prevalent among large companies in the United States. According to Rafter, in the first half of 2019, there were over 3,800 publicly disclosed breaches, exposing over 4 billion records. In the last 3 years, companies like Capital One, Equifax, Facebook, Fortnite, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Uber all had data security breaches. If your data is breached, hackers may gain access to your personal information, including your full name, birth date, phone number, address, and credit card information. According to the Center for Victim Research, 7 to 10% of the U.S. population are victims of identity fraud each year, and 21% of those experience multiple incidents. A survey from the Identity Theft Research Center reports that victims not only experience financial loss, but also feelings of fear, anger, overwhelming sadness, and even contemplate suicide. The emotional cost of identity theft is even more draining, as it takes years to deal with the consequences of lost reputation and stress of falling a victim of identity theft over again. To help you stay abreast of data security as it pertains to the apps you are using or planning to use, we designed 1,000 apps. Our app will rank your apps in terms of how they handle personal data, let you know how much information is required to sign up for a new app, and identify problematic aspects of an app's terms of service. Our app will then provide you with a holistic rating of each app based on an algorithm that combines those 3 features. Our app will keep track of all your existing accounts and provide you an updated ranking with detailed reasons about its fluctuations. By creating our app, we embark on a mission of holding companies to high standards of personal data security and helping you make informed decisions about your app usage. We designed a questionnaire to survey a diverse group of app users in our community. We found that almost 80% of our respondents are concerned about how companies handle their personal data. We also found that almost 45% of our respondents have been affected by data breaches, and almost 80% think that personal data security is an important issue. More than 90% of our respondents said they would be interested in an app that keeps track of account activity, informs about data breaches, and helps them understand the terms of service. The results of our community research make us confident that our app will be a success.
Welcome to 1,000 Apps. Let's sign in. Once you sign in, you will be taken to a screen where you can search for an app of interest to you. Let's take Amazon as an example. This will take you to the Amazon screen where you will see a colored bar, which in the case of Amazon is green. Green means Amazon's security record is very good. If you press on the green bar, you will learn that Amazon has no reported data breaches. This button allows you to share this information with your contacts. Also from the Amazon screen, you will learn what information Amazon requires to sign up. For example, email, password, and name. You can press on each item to learn if providing this information increases your risk of identity fraud. Finally, you can access Amazon's terms of service. The final version of our app will allow you to search this agreement for key details and highlight anything that may be of concern to you. Our code includes conditionals for the list viewers and change of screens, loops to ensure that some commands in our code work iteratively, the share function and text messages to allow the user to send information from our app to others, and an external database with APIs through Firebase to keep our users' sign-up information in one platform. We went through 4 cycles of testing and refining our app. After developing a prototype, we used Thunkable to program our app. Initially, it did not include a sign-up screen, but we decided it was important for each user to have their own account. After initial testing, we decided to create an alert feature. Gradually, we got a sense of what our logo and color scheme should be. We picked gray as it reflected our vision of it. Finally, when we displayed the completed version of our app on our phone, we found several formatting errors that we fixed to make the app more appealing and user-friendly.
In the future, we plan to add additional features to our app. These will include the use of text mining to extract key details of an app's terms of service, syncing a user's app to our app for monitoring inactivity, and allowing users to download or delete apps from our app's platform. We will welcome users' feedback about our app to help us improve it and encourage users to engage with our interactive update of their app's security ratings.